In this example, we want to create an object automatically with a matrix and random and tracer. Let's see. As you can see, you create such a this interesting models with the tracer. Let's do this project. Let's begin. Okay, let's begin. We need something to move and we can trace it after. So we can use the matrix. In a matrix grid, yeah, we need a few, 3, 2 or object, just 3. And in this direction 0. Okay, we have 3. And we want to give it a random cloner fx random. Yeah, random in position. Nice. And then a random in an effector with noise. And this lesson you'll learn a space, about what is a space. Okay, this is our random. You can reduce the speed, more slower. Oops. Yeah, scale. Nice. Increase the make. And we want to bring the matrix up. And as you can see, if you bring up, it will be animate this random. So keyframe it there and go to this frame and bring them up and keyframe again. As you can see, based on speed in this direction, the speed of the random will be changed. If you don't want to change that, you can change the global to UV. As you can see, the speed of the random does not change, depend on the speed of your cloner or matrix. Nice. You can bring it there. So this is all about the speed, the space of global and UV. When you move the cloner that you use a noise effector, the space will be depend on the speed of the cloner. Okay, now it's very easy. We have to give this matrix tracer. Select the matrix, because we don't, if you render, we don't see that point. This is a matrix, no object. Select a matrix, MoGraph, and tracer. Now all of these points will be traced. Interesting. And after that, we can use the technique, interesting technique, lace them, lace this tracer, and let's what happen. And now we can create such this interesting idea to create. And as you can see, if you render, you can just see your object. Nice.
Hello my friends, to continue these tutorials on YouTube, subscribe us, like us, and hit the bell icon. And now you will be alerted about all of the amazing videos that we release.